In this exercise, we will start with this sketch and we will end up with this illustration. We will also gonna use this image to take the colors from. Create new, same settings. File, place, exercise 11. We click on the sketch, check template, place. And now we're gonna bring the other image and put it right here. File, place, click on the Gary image. Make sure you don't check template this time, and then click place. Now I can go here, click and drag, choose where I want the image to be, and then let go. Now using the eyedropper tool, I'm gonna steal all the colors I'm gonna need later for this illustration. So I open the swatches window and take the colors one by one. First I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna create a color group, new color group. I'm gonna call it Gary, and then click OK. We have our first color here. Second color, new swatch, OK. We bring it here. Third color, the blue, new swatch, and you bring it here. Fourth color, fifth color, and the final color. And put it here. Now that we have all the colors we're gonna need, we no longer need this image, so I can go ahead and click delete. And now I can start drawing. First, I'm gonna need this tool right here, the line segment tool. Gonna set it to black, stroke to black. Gonna set this to none. And stroke, let's say 10. I'm gonna draw a straight line from here to here, another straight line from here to here. Go to the arc tool, draw a line from here to here, press X to flip. I can change the angle of the arc if I want. I can change with the up and down arrows, just like that. I'm gonna leave it on this level, and another line from here to here, and press X to flip. Up and down arrow until I reach this point, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Now I need to connect these lines, these separate lines, so I can fill them later. So direct selection tool, select these 2 points, Control J, these 2 points, Control J, these 2 points, Control J, and these 2 points, Control J. Now I can go ahead and swap fill and stroke. I'm gonna draw a rectangle now, like that. I'm gonna rotate it. And I'm gonna duplicate this from here to here, and rotate it like that and put it where it needs to be. I'm gonna draw the eyes now. I'm gonna click on swap fill and stroke so I can draw, press shift, draw a circle just like that. With the ellipse tool, another ellipse and another ellipse inside it. This one I'm gonna swap fill and stroke. I'm going to select all, press Alt, and copy it and put it right here. Now we have two eyes. I'm gonna make the lines a little bit thicker so we can see them. Now we're gonna need to draw a spiral. For that, we're gonna need this tool right here, the spiral tool, and I'm going to show you how it works. I just click and drag, and using the up and down arrow, look what happens. This, if I press the down arrow, if I press the up arrow, look what happens. So, gonna delete. I'm gonna click here and drag. I'm gonna rotate it a little bit like this. Press space so I can move. Press space. I think this location is right. Now I'm gonna press the down arrow a few times, and I think I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, I'm gonna set the line from 5 to let's try 20. I think this is okay. Go back to the ellipse tool, and I'm gonna draw some ellipses. I'm gonna flip, swap fill and stroke. No, I have to deselect first. Deselect and then draw like this. I'm gonna flip, draw an ellipse here, draw an ellipse here, draw an ellipse here. And one trick I'm gonna show you, instead of just clicking the selection tool while working, I can press Control and access the selection tool quickly. As you see here on the bottom, it's written selection. When I press Control, I can move it, I can rotate it just like that, put it where it needs to belong, and then release Control. Go back to the ellipse tool, draw the other ellipse, press Control. I can make it bigger. I can move it. And then I let go of Control and I go back to the ellipse tool. I think now all the lines are complete. We completed the drawing part. Now we can start coloring. So I'm gonna select these parts and select this blue we picked up earlier. I'm gonna select these two circles. I'm gonna choose this color, this light green. Press shift, choose this and this. I'm gonna use this color, this orange, and remove the stroke. Press shift, select all these ellipses, and choose this color, the purple. Select the spiral. I'm gonna choose this pink, and the stroke I'm gonna choose this dark red, just like that. We see there's a part missing here. I'm gonna fill it with a rectangle, with a pink rectangle. Gonna set the stroke to none and create a pink rectangle right here, just to cover this space. Now I right click, arrange, send to back, and now click on this part and arrange, send to back. One last thing, I'm gonna select this eye, the entire eye, right click, arrange, and bring to front. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.